Hey guys, it is JoshCraft here. Not JoshCraft. What? My name's not JoshCraft. It is Epic Vlog Gamer here. To the next island. You can teleport you with the Ender Pearl. You can play this map in single player or co-op. Okay. Welcome to the Bear Skyblock. This version is 0.92. In this map you have 4 new islands and 7 features. Okay. Give me the grass. I have no clue what this is, to be honest. I have never played this. I just got on it, started recording. Cause YOLO. That would be really hard to get over there though. I don't know. Wait, is that the proper chest? I just forgot now. There's like a sand thing over there. Yeah, let me just... So there's an end portal. There's a sand thing. The desert. Small skyblock. There's villagers, isn't there? So... yeah, there's villagers. That means there must be like a trading station or something. What the heck is that? That's not me. What? Well, I suppose it has a J on it. J for Josh, whatever. So let's just get chopping down this tree. Please don't fall off. I'll catch you. No! I'm gonna mine the wood. Do do do. Do do do. Give me your shit. Bye. So you can do it 4, but I actually learned that you can do it 5, and that means you don't get muddled up, so let's just do it 5. And then you like mine here, put that there. See? And that means you don't get muddled up. I just have to make a crafting table. Oh yes. I share this account with my friend. I really need to get my own account. Probably get one for Christmas or something. Or ask my mum for one, but I don't know. So he must have changed the skin. It doesn't really bother me, it's just from the fact that my YouTube channel has a certain skin and that it's just weird. Oh shit. Oh my god, I nearly had a heart attack. I would have to reset the whole map if I fell off. Okay. Apple. It's really weird because you know Josh, the person I did the Syndicate games, he's actually gonna, on his Realm server, he's actually gonna be putting on a Skygrid, and he wants me to play with him, so I'm probably gonna play. So you guys are gonna have Skyblock and Skygrid. Pretty cool. I think I'll try to go over there. Mine. Guys, I will be back with you in a minute once we actually have got a lot of cobblestone. Once the wooden pick runs out, I'll be back. So see you in a minute, guys. And we are back, guys. As you can see, we have no wooden pick here, and we have like our 50 cobblestone. I don't know if that's actually the right amount, but I'm only going to take half just in case we fall off, so we don't waste all of it. So let's just bridge. Yeah, that looks like a good spot. Bridgey, bridgey, bridge. I'm bridging. I am a vlog gamer and I'm bridging. Bridgey, bridgey gamer. Bridgey, bridgey gamer. Oh my god, what cobblestone that is, like this. You're such a surprise. Wow! Wow! Fuck that guy. 18 wheat for it. Buy a diamond axe with 11 it. That's not bad. That is not bad, I have to say, that's not bad. 4 redstone for 1 emerald. Yeah, this could come in handy. You want more? Play the... Wait, there's a bigger version? I guess we'll have to play that after we play this. But what's this say? New trailer. Okay. Oh wait. There's a person up here. Buy 1 ender pearl for 15 emeralds. Help, if you buy an ender pearl, you need to place 15 emeralds in the chest. Oh! Jeez! 15 emeralds? Wow! That's quite a lot. I'll take this. Thanks for the chest. Brum, 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 brum. So we have an extra cobblestone. Extra cobblestone. So, fuck off now. Bye. Wait. In the new update, you can actually step on these signs. So I'm going to test it. I don't have anything on these, I'm just gonna go. Whoop. Oh shit. Okay, it didn't work. Yay. Why is it like black? I'm not sure. That island looks promising. I don't think I see a chest though. On the island. Which one's close? Oh shit, I fell off. Oh, there is a chest. I'm going this way. Please. I don't know if we'll make this. I really don't know if we'll make this. I hope they do though. Yeah, maybe not. Let's just run back. Take that. Oh shit, we have no cobblestone left. I should have kept 3 cobblestone. Oh shit. Get in there, Jimmy. Really? Yeah, let me count and just like estimate how much we need more. I would say about 20. I'm not really sure, I'm just estimating. Okay, calm your ham. Why, lava? Mine, 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 mine. Mine, mine, mine. It's probably very boring for you to watch, but I'm not going to cut it out because the recorder I'm using, you actually can't pause. What I have to do is I have to like end the video, then I have to restart the video, and I have to edit them together. Yeah, and it takes quite a lot of work, and then it makes the file bigger, and then it makes it like, how do I put this? It makes it longer to upload. It makes it longer to upload, so it does. So I've already cut out the video, which means there's going to be 2 separate videos, which I'm going to have to put together editing. So, yeah. Oh, that grass just turned to grass. Or, I mean, the dirt just turned to grass. Come on. No! One more. One more. One more. One more. Yeah. Come on, work. Come on, come on. Let's see if I was right. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I have 1 cobblestone left. No, I don't think I do. There's a chicken! And a sheep! Welcome to All Tree Island. You're surprised. Oh my god, yes. I actually think I'm going to need to take you home. But until that, you're staying here. Wait a minute. I wonder if I can get a chicken to spawn. Nah. Look how much like emeralds I have now. If I go over there, that means I can't get back. So I don't know how this is going to work. Okay. I think we'll go trade. Yeah, we'll go trade. So 15 emeralds. Thank you. Good doing business with ya. So still got 5 emeralds left. We've got 2 ender pearls. So if I ever want to ender pearl down there, I can get back up. So guys, I think that's going to be it for this episode. I will see you in the next episode. In fact, let's do it Jacksepticeye style. We will see you in the next episode!